Hello everybody, my name is Achintya Sharma and today we'll be creating a simple game on Scratch that is called the Hungry Bird game. So first of all, type in your browser Scratch and you see this, just click on this over here like this and we'll create a project for you automatically. So first we require a bird and the background and a fruit. So delete this cat sprite and go to choose a sprite. Type over here a bird like this. I want this parrot. You can take any of the bird you want like here. Now again go to choose a sprite, choose this apple and go to backdrops, choose this blue sky like this. And now if I click the right arrow, my bird should go forward, and when I click the left arrow, my bird should come back, and when I click on up, the bird should go up, and when we start the game, the bird will start falling automatically. So we don't need to code for that. So first of all, go to events, drag and drop this when space key pressed, change this to right arrow and go to the motions over here. Drag and drop this, move 10 steps instead of 10, make it 11 or 12, it's according to your need. Now I want this bird to change its costume so that it looks like it is flying. So go in the looks and drag and drop this next costume like this. So let me run my app and it is working like this. So now we are going to do the same thing. For the left arrow, just duplicate this. Instead of right, change it to left arrow and make it minus 11 steps. Minus 11 steps. And next costume. Now let's test it. And the bird goes backward like this. Now we're going to code for the up arrow. Make this as up arrow. Instead of this, move 11 steps or minus 11 steps, go to motions and take this block as change y by this and change y by 12 or 11. So let's make it 11 over here like this. So when I run this, my bird is going up over here like this. Now go to the events again and drag and drop this when green flag is clicked and go to the control, drag and drop this forever. Then go to the motions and you're going to copy and paste this block and make sure you move this next step back, and instead of this make it minus 1 and the bird will start falling whenever the game starts. So now we are going to code for the apple. So when the parrot touches the apple, so we are going to code for that. So again go to the events, drag and drop this when green flag is clicked and go in the controls. Go in the control and drag and drop this forever block over here and drag and drop this if condition inside this forever and go in the sentiment and if touching, drag and drop this touching mouse pointer inside this and make this as parrot. Then you have to go in this motions and you have to select this, go to random position, that is this over here like this. So let me run my program and see whether it is working or not. If I am going to touch this apple, the apple moves. So that's it for today. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.